All right, here we go. This is a installation of turn signals on this home-built e-bike. So here's the switch. And the funny thing is, when I'm riding this thing, it goes so fast that it feels more like a motorbike. And when I turn corners, I am reaching with my thumb for a turn signal switch, which is this one right here. Where are you? Right there. Where it says turn, that's on my Honda. Right, so it's on the left. So now it's on the left here. So I bought a kit from China. So there's the right turn signal. Sorry, that's a pain in the ass to see. Oh, and the rear. And then you go and press that button again to stop it or cancel it. So I'm going to press it and see if I can get it on my pressing, right? And then you press the other side, and you can see the light there. Where are you? There you are. And then the other. They're not synchronized. I don't care. And then again, you just press the button and it stops. And then you can also, this button here, you can press and it will do funny things, like one press and it flashes the little red lights, and another press, then it flashes all the lights. It's kind of like hazard lights. And then there's another press, and that's when you just have turn signal. Battery operated. I think it's a Bluetooth connection. I moved this, which is the switch for the LCD, I think it's a SW900. This is a nice little display. I bought another one from China that has a USB port. This one doesn't. And I bought another bracket that can hold my phone or my GPS. It's coming right along. We'll see how long these things last. But yeah, good enough. I didn't include my attempts to mount the turn signals to this GV rack. And this is a pain in the ass to see, but I just made spacers out of some plastic. They were AA battery holders to convert a AA to a C-cell size. Washers, fender washers, and a lock washer, and then a wing nut. But you can see they're pretty stable. And of course, you know, in the bicycling environment, it's violent. So they're gonna get beat to shit. These things are held on. There's a little bracket back here. And the bracket, just kind of half moon shaped thing, holds against the spacers I made. And then there's a rubber band that holds it all on. So I've got to figure out something better than that. And I will eventually, I think. This is version 3 of my attempts to install this. It's probably going to get another 3 versions before it's finished. But so far it looks good. Bye.